Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Dinner's over and I want something sweet. So I thought I would make us just a little quick hand pie. 2 ingredients, y'all. A can of cherry pie filling and a roll of pie dough. Now, if you don't have rolled pie dough, you can use biscuits, roll them out, flatten them out. But I've got pie dough and I need to use it. So I thought, what better way? I want something sweet. I got pie filling. Now you can do this with apple, peach, any of your favorite, blackberry, blueberry, any, your favorite pie filling. Now, this pie dough, can you see that? Now, see, it comes like this. There's 2 crusts in the package, and you can make a pie in your pie plate, and it's enough dough for top and bottom, or 2 pies if you don't have a top crust. I'm going to roll this out just a little bit. Now, I'm following the package instructions for baking, and this one says to bake 400 degrees for, okay, you bake this one 400 degrees for 11 to 13 minutes, okay? So I have got this is like a 3-inch biscuit cutter. So I'm just going to cut rounds out of this pie dough, y'all. I'll put them together as close as I can. Let's see how many we can get. Now, I'm using 4 pie crust. That's a lot of hand pies, but I will be putting some of these in my freezer. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm only going to cook off a few, and then I'll put the rest of them, I'll put them together, but I'll put them in the freezer. I'll flash freeze them, and then I'll put them in the freezer before I bake them. Okay, so you see we've got our little rounds right here. And they're not going to be huge. So, I don't know what that was. It looked like a piece of the packaging I took them out of. Anyway, they're not going to be huge, but that's okay. You just want like 2 or 3, 4 bites. Okay, so let's flatten it out a little bit. Now, what I forgot to get, and y'all know this, is a little bit of water. I want a little bit of water, and I need a fork. Because y'all know what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and moisten the edges of this pie dough, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this pie filling, and I'm going to put it right here. Try not to overfill. I'm telling y'all that, but meaning me. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and see, this is exactly why I said try not to overfill it. Because it comes out. It's not hurt anything. We just got to clean it up. Okay, so pinch those edges together, and we're going to crimp them with this fork. I won't put as much in the next one, y'all. But, y'all, see? Hey, we all make mistakes. Looky there. Look at that little bitty pie. Isn't that cute? So we're going to put him right here on this baking sheet. Now, I lightly sprayed that baking sheet. Let me get a paper towel and clean this up. I lightly sprayed the baking sheet. My oven is set to 400, and I'm excited about getting some of these done. I may bake off some extra ones for my neighbor. Y'all know I love to share with the neighbors. Okay, so here we go. Let's do another one. Let's try not to overfill this one, okay? Y'all tell me, slow down, Karen. Stop, that's enough. Okay. A little less this time. A little bit less. We just want enough to make a nice bite. Okay, now, let's see if I can do it this way so you can actually see. Press it down with my fingers. And y'all, sometimes it's going to happen regardless of what you do. So just keep going with it. I broke a hole in that one. It's okay. It is okay. And we're just going to keep rolling out little pies. We're going to cut down one extra cherry this time and see if we got it right. Instead of 4, we're only going to use 3. I think we got it. I think that did it. Now, I am using, like I said, I'm using like a 3-inch cutter. You can use the bigger one. I've seen people use their sifter. Use it to go around, and you know how big around sifters are. And I had thought about something larger, but then I thought, you know, this is just something bite-sized, real quick, easy. And so that's why I went with this. I didn't want something huge. We don't need it. But now and then, we just want just that little touch of something to satisfy that little sweet tooth. Y'all know what I mean? Can you see how cute that is? Okay, let's roll it over. Tuck that little cherry in. Looky there. Isn't that cute? Try to be careful and not break it like I did one of the others. Okay, so there you go. We're getting it better. All right, so I'm going to get these done. I'm going to do them all, and then I'm going to bake off a few. But y'all give me just a little bit, and let me get these finished, and I'll be back with you, okay? Okay, y'all, I want you to look. Look how pretty. I got 19 of these little hand pies. Now, what I did with the scraps, you know, after I cut it out and I pulled that extra off, I just squeezed it, rolled it, kneaded it back together, rolled it out, and cut out until there wasn't much left to cut out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and bake all of these. I have 2 rolls of pie dough left. But I'm almost out of cherry pie filling. I think I have another can of pie filling. And if I do, I'll finish them out. If I don't, I'll put this back in the refrigerator. And I'll get some more pie filling. So I'm going to sprinkle these with a little bit of sugar. Now, I like to do that because it gives them that little bit of crunch when you bite into it. So, and the oven is heated. It's preheated. Yeah, these are a couple of them broke, but you know, it don't matter. It means they're homemade and they're going to be delicious. Okay, so let's get these in the oven, 400 degrees, 11 to 13 minutes, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you what they look like, and I won't let one cool enough so I can taste it, okay? I'll see you in a few minutes. These pies are done. Yeah, looky here how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try one. Now looky here, this one didn't. We had a couple that didn't seal all the way. Can you see inside that little pie? Looks like a little clam, don't it? See that, how cute it is? But we're going to try it. I want to taste it. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Look at there. Tastes like a cherry pie. We didn't do anything different than you would if you're making a cherry pie using a canned pie filling. This is delicious. Yeah, this is something, we've got football season going to be coming up here before too long. So, yeah, remember all these little things that you can put on your game day table. And this may be on ours. So, easy. People can pick one up. They can walk around, talk, have a cup of coffee, have a glass of tea, juice, water, whatever they're drinking. And nibble on a little hand pie. How about that? Little mini cherry hand pies. I love this idea. Remember this. Easy, easy, easy. Now, I hope you'll make some of these. And I hope you're going to come back and visit with us because we so enjoy having you visit with us. Don't forget, we have 2 cookbooks, Volume 1, Volume 2. And they're on sale. They are on sale for, I don't know how long, till I say so. Volume 1, Volume 2, they're on sale for $20 each, 2 for $35. And don't forget, we have new merchandise. And I've showed y'all this before, but we have some new people. Look at here. Look at this coffee mug. And look at that beautiful picture on there. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at the cute little pot holder. I should have been using this, but I saved these for y'all. Oven mitt. And it's amazing. Hand towel. Look at here. Can you see standing at the sink drying dishes with this? Just take it and dry that pot. Put it away. I am so pleased with these. But yeah, I'll have a link in the description box for all of these. And if you go to the title, some people have asked me, they don't know how to get into the description box. Go to the title where it says More. Click on More. It'll open up a box. Click on More again, and it'll open up the full description box. Just scroll down. Anyway, I hope y'all will give these a try, because I think you're going to enjoy them. Look how pretty they are. Isn't that gorgeous? I had to let it cool some, so look at there. Isn't that gorgeous? So anyway, y'all come back and visit with me. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit that notification bell so you know when we put out another video. Now, I'm going to go find Pop, take him a couple of these little pies, and let him have a little sweet treat since he's at his dinner. We'll see you soon, everybody.